Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset channel. In this episode, I will show you the ports and buttons of the VIVO X200 FE phone. Let's start from the top of our device, that is, the top frame. We turn the screen towards ourselves and then upwards. Here, on the left side, we find what I think is one of the most interesting things on the frame of this device, namely the IR diode. This is an infrared diode which allows us to control various devices in our home that require a remote control. We can add such a remote to our device and then use our phone as a remote control to operate these devices. Next, there is the antenna of our device. Here is a strip, and then we have a set of 3 holes here which are microphones. The one on the right, this single hole, is the main microphone, while the 2 holes are the auxiliary microphone, which is used for reducing ambient noise. Between them, there is another antenna. Here, above our selfie camera, there is of course also the Earpiece speaker for phone calls, and it also serves as a second speaker, for example when playing movies or music, to provide a better experience when listening to and watching various multimedia. Let's turn our device to the left frame. And here, it's a bit sparse, but we can find 2 antennas of our device, one at the level of the cameras, and the other a bit lower. And further along, there's nothing else on this frame. Let's turn it to the other side, and here as well, there are 2 antennas in the same places, that is, at the level of the cameras and a bit below. Next, we find the volume button, and the power button. Of course, the button for lowering and increasing the volume, lowering, and turning the device on and off. But these aren't their only functions, because with these buttons we can also control other things on the phone. For example, in recovery mode, we can use the volume up and down buttons to select options and the power button to confirm them. We can also use these buttons, for instance, to control the camera. With the volume up and down buttons, we take photos. Further down, there is the European Union marking, various certification labels, and information indicating that you should not throw the phone into a regular trash bin. And at the bottom of our device, let's put it this way, with the screen facing forward, on the left side there is a SIM card slot here, and we also have a small hole for opening it. Here. You have to be careful not to confuse it with the hole next to it, because the hole next to it is for the microphone. So if we were to insert a pin there, we could damage or even puncture it. And of course, we could also lose the water resistance certification of this device. Next, to the right of the microphone, you'll find an antenna, while in the middle of the other, between here, there are 2 antennas of course, and between them is a USB 2.0 port, which can charge our device with up to 90 watts of power. As a direct result of this technology, we are now fully capable of charging our 6500 mAh battery at an incredibly rapid pace. Next, there are again auxiliary microphones, meaning microphones for noise reduction. So here we have the main microphone and noise reduction. And finally, the very last holes. These, notably thick and large ones located over on the far right side, actually serve as the main speaker for our entire device. And those are all the elements that are located on the frame of our device. If this video was helpful to you, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all from me. I'll say goodbye now. Bye.